Oh my god, it's...
So this is the view.
Blackboard. Fine dining. Priorities. Hi guys, it's Saturday. Oh my god, it's our second to the last day. And we're going to... Where are we going, babe?
Ulay.
As mga walang ligo. Wala kaming ligo kasi it's parang onsen. So doon na kami maliligo. And Bubu's gonna take a picture of me first. Here. For the OOTD. OOTD ng walang ligo. Okay, wait. Bye!
Ito naming train station. We're so early today. 9:35 pa lang ata. Kasi may 11:30 AM reservation kami sa Ulay. Yung private hot spring. You'll see later. It's nice there. Kasi okay naman yung feedback nila sa Google reviews eh. So eto, nandito kami sa MRT Siemens Station. Exit 6, yung... Go! Sindian. Sindian line. Sobrang mukha ako may sakit. Meron naman talaga, pero kaya ba?
Nagtint ako eh. Kaya hindi ako. Songshan.
Sindian.
Sindian? Ah, there. Ah, there. Down pa. One more down.
Main station. Oh, here lang tayo. Okay, another platform down. Hi guys, so update. We're here na sa Sindian Station. Last station to ng Green Line, G01. So ito, we're looking for the exit na. Actually toilet first kasi ihina ako talaga. Yan. Right guys, so we're here at Sindian Station. Ito yung exit from the platform. So, isa lang naman yung exit. Straight lang from the turnstiles in front of you. Sa right side. Then, pag right nyo dyan, may makikita kayo mga bus numbers 849. Not itong left side na para mga bus talaga ng bus station na. Hindi dyan. Dito sa right side yun, okay? So, ayun yung Starbucks and Family Mart. Facing Starbucks and Family Mart. Diyan sa side na yun, dyan yung bus 849. Okay? I'll show you later. Bili lang muna kami ng food. Delayed yung bus eh. I checked Google Maps. So, bili muna kami food dito sa Family Mart. We're still so early, even if we leave now. Like, if we get to catch a bus ng ngayong oras, aga pa kami. 10-11 pa lang. So, bili mo na kami food dito sa Family Mart. Sarap ng weather.
We're going to... saan ba? Yung parang onsen. Gift namin kay Jessa at kay Rio kasi kinasal sila. Pero nung September, di ba?
August 8.
Nung August pa pala. Sorry.
Alam ko kasi naka-VL ako.
Ibang kasal pa pala yun. Wala. Wala ba?
I think so.
Iwan.
Mamaya na daw ako mag-get na kami ng food, okay?
Uy, may chicken. Parang Fami Chiki. Actually, Fami Chiki talaga.
Right guys, so we just got here sa Volando, actually sa Wulay. Ang reservation namin dito is 11:30 but we got here, parang 11:20 pa lang yata. 11:20. Supposedly, yung bus 849 from Sindian Station, may drop-off dito like 2 minutes walk. But hindi siya dumaan doon. Pero okay lang kasi from the bridge, chinek namin Google Maps, 9 minutes walk lang. Pero hindi na kami nag-walk kasi nga, diba, yung 9 minutes sa Google, maging 15 minutes pa. And kaya, since may reservation na kami na 11:30. Ayan guys, so yun nga, for some reason, nag-skip yung bus. I know na nag-skip siya kasi nakamonitor sa Google Maps and sa board sa yung mga drop-off nung bus. Pero gano'n talaga, in my experience, may mga certain days or time of the day na may hindi na sila dadaanan regardless kung may bababa doon or may sasakay doon. So, magkakalapit lang naman yung mga bus stops. Itong Volando Hot Spring Resort, 9 minutes walk lang siya, pero hindi na kami nag-walk kasi baka malate kami and we don't want that. Gusto din namin na medyo mag-relax pa ng saglit sa lobby. Since medyo di kami nakaupo, kami ni Rio, yung girls lang. I mean, si Jessa and si Tish lang nakaupo sa bus and pa-zigzag siya. So talagang sakit sa leg. So this is the main road. Yun nga, dito dumadaan yung bus going doon pataas. So I think somewhere there, pat doon yung bus stop. But anyway, so relax lang kami pababa. Fix na siya 150. Anyway, this is Volando. It's very nice. That's the reception area, and I think yan yung mga hot spring rooms nila. They also have private rooms, guys. You can stay here for a night or two, or dito kayo all throughout your vacation. And yung free coffee, tea, toilet siguro. Yan sila, waiting. And here's baby. Yan siya. Then I'll show you the view. It's very nice. Yes. Bye. See you later. Enjoy. Sige. Kamsahamnida. Okay. So yan. Mauna daw yung 2 and then yung malilate daw since cleaning pa daw. No enough rooms nga daw kasi i-upgrade daw niya for 10 minutes. Parang ganun. So dadagdagan na siguro tayo ng 10 minutes more. Mas matagal, parang gano'n. Oh, upgrade talaga yung room. Di ko sure, guys, ha. Sorry, guys, if na-upgrade talaga yung room. Sorry, Jesserie. Sabi niya kasi 10 minutes. Upgrade for you for 10 minutes. Anyway, ito nga, going back, ito yung view from the lobby reception. Oh my God, ang ganda ng water, guys. Blue na blue. Wow. So nice. Siya guys. Ganda. This is the reception. And the view. Guys, okay na daw yung room namin. Tara.
So later, 1 hour. I call you later.
Okay.
Last 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you. Right, this is our room. Our room, guys. I'll show you. That's Bebo. Ganda mo. Ganda ng view. Start na daw si Bebo. Take off na siya shoes niya. Yan. Ito, may slippers. Yan. Tapos parang vanity. Yes, may towel. And then meron pang snacks, water, and Pocari Sweat, tissue, I think lotion, mirror, no smoking. And may vanity mirror ka. And then pwede ka dyan mag-sit. Yes, dito ka na maliligo. Ganyan, no? Para sa Japan, naka-sit down ka dyan. And then, ayan, sinupuno na nila. Yeah, so nice here. And then the view is very nice. Ganda ng tubig sa labas. Oh. Okay. Okay. Hi guys! Ayos na eh. Tapos na kami yung aming 60-minute na ganyan-ganyan. Onsen experience. Inalaw nila yung transfer dito sa isa pang room for yan, blow dry, skincare, makeup. Pero yung isa, need na yun i-clean kasi syempre may mga nakabook pa. Ito walang view. This is ano lang, obstructed view. Wala nga.
Wala talagang view.
Wala. Anyway, we tried nag-try kami mag-call to extend. Sabi namin, how much for 10 or 15 to 15 minutes more? Kasi naliligo naman na kami nun. Wala. May restaurant sila dito eh. Doon na lang kami mag-late lunch. We'll go to the second floor, guys. Nandun yung restaurant nila, yung Silic. Wala kaming reservations. Inas namin. Okay naman daw, may available. Lakan dito tayo nag-pre-book eh. Pero after lunch naman. Check mo na lang muna yung menu. Pag hindi, dun tayo sa mga parang karinderya style dun. Yung a la carte, may a la carte ngayon. Thank you. Nasa ano siya? Set me. Nasa ano siya? Nasa set siya. 9.8. Fine dining restaurant. Oo, wine. Hindi ko sure. Hindi ko maintindihan. Mukhang wine, babe. May basong pa ganun eh. Parang wine.
Are these wine? Wine, no? No.
Basta alcoholic beverage yan.
Ano kaya? Google Translate.
Fried rice. Okay. 1-1. And then kayo, Jessa. Sausage. Kasi sikat dito yung blackboard na sausage.
Just that one.
Zipline mo dito.
Here's my order. Vegetable udon. Wow.
Salad.
Salad.
Huwag mo sabihin friend mo kung
Ay, the Facebook friend.
Acquaintance.
Correct.
Diba? Learn how to not say na lang.
Friend mo. Tama.
Hi guys. So we're here sa, anong name nito?
Silik.
Hindi, yung ito. Volando. And mag-eat kaming lunch. What are you eating, babe?
Vegetable udon.
And pork salad. Hindi ko alam. And yun sa kanila, beef. Wala pa eh. Tapos merong appetizer. Bacon ba to? Parang bacon eh.
Dito. Famous natin parang black boar pork dito.
Boar? Like, ano yung boar? Look, tikman mo nga. Oreo, tikman mo na. Seriously. Tapos, ito parang ano ba ito? Kimchi. Ay, parang pasta, no? O, basta yun na. Kain mo na kami. Ay, yan na rin yung akin. Matagal yung beef noodles. Tingin siya. May salmon. This is mine. May salmon pala siyang super laki. Oh my God. Hindi ko alam. Wala kasi sa name yun. Yan na yung noodles nila, beef. Okay, wait. Picture daw kami. Okay, again. Fine dining restaurant. So, seafood pasta na may malaking salmon. As in, sobrang laki, babe. Hindi pa naman ako nagsasalmon. And vegetable. And this one. And beef noodles na mukhang super sarap ng beef. Ang ganda ng beef. Wagyu ata. So, we're gonna eat na. And meron silang mga appetizers. Parang bacon. Pero ano daw sabi ni Bebo, parang wild boar. Black boar. Basta ganun.
Sarap nito. Parang mga appetizer. Parang mga nasa kimchi na ba? Parang yun. Sarap na. Parang ham na. Parang ito. Ito, di ko sure ano ito. Lasang Japanese. Parang hindi cucumber.
Can we ask for salt and pepper and another chutney? Salt, pepper, and salt.
Thank you.
Pasta pero.
Parang stir-fried noodles. Ano ba yun? Fish sauce. Oh, meron ba patis dito? Matabang.
Tabang.
Walking from Volando, going to dun sa bus stop and yung papunta sa Kulay Old Street, Palagcart. 9 minutes lang naman. There. Yan sila. The bridge.
Hi guys, so where are we now, babe? We're back in our hotel. So, we didn't go na there sa old street, sa Hulay, yung may mga log carts and stuff. Kasi, first, nag-drizzle. Tapos, pagod na kami. Mga ayaw maglakad. So, we're going now to where? Shimending area again. And we'll try another night market. So, we're going. Come with us. Ewo. Oh, puro siya lang. Bye. Come with us, guys. My outfit. Dito tayo nag-outfit.
Hi guys.
Hindi mo nakabilinan kung nasan tayo.
Nasa 1 yen building ulit kami.
Makakain na naman kami.
Dito sa B1 na food court. Sorry namin yung nakita ni Bebo tsaka ni Rio na ano yun? Malaking pork chop. Parang ng kamay. Yes, malaki. Parang yung ano, large XL fried chicken. Pero pork. Pork ribs ba nakalagay? O fried pork chop?
Pork ribs talaga. Pork ribs.
Fried pork ribs. Gusto New York. Pero medyo matagal. Kasi freshly cooked siya, no? Dinidip. Pakita namin. Wait lang. Please wait. Guys, dito na yung food. Papakita na namin. Let's go.
Let's go.
Ano talaga ba?
Ha?
Ano to kayo? Yung may fish, oh.
Oh my gosh. May fish.
Ayoko nito. Kumakain ka nito?
No, that's tofu.
Mama put it here.
Hi guys, so hindi na pala kami magna-night market kasi hindi na nila kaya mag-rest muna sila and si Rio and Jessa and now kami ni Bebo just roaming around Shimending. Yeah, now nag-check kami here sa Adidas and look at the selection ng bags nila. Super nice. Diba? Kasi ang gaganda. There. Super nice. And dito rin. Ang nice. Yun. So yeah, we're just gonna check here kung ano mabibili and pasalubong. So then, we're going to rest and then we're gonna of course drink again later. Ha. We're done na. And we're gonna try this. Ay, wait.
Fried chicken medium o large?
Large.
Large. Siya, mas magkano ako? Oyster.
Okay.
75. Card ko.
Okay.
Pasta ka naman naman.
Yun may combo nga 230. Yun na lang ako. Yung signature popcorn chicken tsaka yung crispy squid.
Ha? Dalawa sa'yo?
Combo nga yun. Ah, there. Meron tatlo.
Try ba natin yan?
So we're gonna order pala. Oh my gosh. This one. Guys, yung medium.
24.
Medium. Yung tatlo na. Tapos medium. Okay, sis.
中的餐厅。
Kasi Bube wants.
625号。
Narinig niyo ba ako? Later na lang.
Pili lang din.
现在只要一个就好。 对啊，是吗？
And then we added fries then, guys. So that's yung small, parang small is 55.
这个是
We added
这个没有，
and
这个也对，
yung 305 in-upgrade namin to large at $3 lang. So we
Large chicken.
300 each instead of 305. Pero large na yung chicken. Oh my gosh, wait. Ano ba to? Here's our order, guys. Ang dami pala. OMG. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's eat. To eat. It's so many. So, yan na siguro yung dinner naman for tonight. And then
Second dinner.
We're gonna... Why?
Kasi
Kanina was...
we had pork chop and luro fun.
So, that's dinner already?
That's right. So,
Anyway, so this is gonna be our dinner, and then later siguro snacks na lang kasi nga priorities. So maghahanap si Babe ng milk tea, which is alam ko walang milk tea dito, Babe, sa dyan. Tapos tatambay kami dun sa may bench kasi outside our hotel.
ito may mga establishments pa dito.
It's raining.
Is it?
Yeah. Ang boning.
Someone seated sa mga booth.
Paalisin natin.
God.
So, lalamig na yung fries ko. I think we just need to go up. Go up na lang na tayo. Sige, lagay na para makapag Ay, may dim sum pala dyan, oh. You know, soup and dim sum. Let's see. Okay, mag-walk na lang pala kami. And I have my fries na.
Fries?
Yeah.
Ako kagaling ko na sana.
Na-zoom ko lang tayo.
Salty na to, sabi sa'yo eh.
That's us. Ay, we're not, yeah.
It's not even salty.
We're gonna go up na lang kasi may nakaupo sa bench and wala nang milk tea.
Not near. Our food will get cold.
Yeah. We're gonna get milk tea later. Bube lang pala because I don't drink milk tea. So we're gonna go up na lang and then Bube will drink her milk tea later when we go out again.
And I need to take my meds.
Yeah, and the food's gonna get cold. You know. I'm napupupo already. This is our hotel, guys. It's lang, simple, pero okay na siya for the price. It's nice for the price.
That's it for now.
Proud of me. 4 nights straight.
4 nights straight.
Sarap. Love mo. Hindi na tayo naglalaki.
Cheers!
Four.
Guys, nag-drink kami until 2 a.m. and now it's almost 3 a.m. Nag-line up kami for mga 30 minutes sa Ichiran Ramen 24/7 kasi open dito sa Taipei. Nagkahiyaan ng mga tipsy and sober na. And mag-beer pa kami dito with our ramen. So I'm just on my iPhone kasi sabi namin din na namin ka-vid. Pero eto, just an update.
Mapya sana ako sa aking classmate. Nakilap sa camera.
Ayan, wait lang namin yung food namin.
Here's our order. Swabos. Ayan. So, I see parang may Sunday market or weekend market here. Kasi, ayan, may mga trinkets. Ayan. Snacks. Yes.